J Jesse here, Double J Pressure Washing. I am on my way to the Heights area in Houston, Texas. I got a friend of mine, the pool builder, who wants me to do a driveway, a patio, some sidewalks, and a pool deck for him. They've also got a wooden deck that they're gonna stain, and they want to know if I can just lighten it up and whatnot. So I'm just gonna spray it down with some SH and hit it up real quick and get it taken care of, guys. So it'll be an easy day. I got another one planned for this afternoon possibly, but if I can't make it, or if it gets too hot, or if it gets too late, I might just wait until tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys. All right, we are out here in the Heights, and it is a beautiful day. So what we got going on today is sidewalks. I'm gonna go up and do this up here. The stairs. That doesn't even need to be doing anything, so. Stairs. Driveway, it ain't too bad. Got a guy doing a dustless blasting back here, so he's cleaning all the calcium buildup off the pool. Gonna get a little loud. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started up here. I'm gonna knock out the driveway. He said he'll be here about 45 minutes, so I'll just take my time, knock this out. So by the time he's leaving, I'll be able to head to the back and knock all that out. So be out here for a little bit. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna get everything set up and I'll start filming again. See you guys in a little bit. All right, so we're about to get started. As you can see, we're about to do the driveway. I'm gonna wet everything down here shortly. I'm gonna start right here. And this sidewalk right here. The property line ends right here. So this is what we're gonna start off at. jump to the back, BRB. All right, we are back here in this backyard. We're gonna do a little soft wash back here. It's nothing bad, really. It's just a lot of dirt and stuff. Regrouting whatever needs to get cleaned up. The guy was just here. He took all the calcium buildup off of these, half the natural stone. So I'm going to lighten up this deck and do the rest of this little driveway and rinse this down. We're gonna be on our way, guys. Check it out. just a little time consuming. We just out here watching, baby. Till next week. Peace.